What's going on, people? Welcome back. Okay, so in this video on search engine optimization, I want to talk about our meta tags, our keywords. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and put this meta tag HTML code in between our head tags. So if you didn't know, that means that they don't show up on the browser. I mean, when we output it, they don't show up. It's just all the stuff right here in between your head tags, opening head tag, and that's closing head tag. This is just stuff for the browser to render. This stuff in here, this doesn't, well, the title gets outputted, but that's it. This title right here, that is this right here. That's what shows up just like that. But other than that, anything else is not going to show up. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So in order to add our keywords, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and type meta name equals keywords. Just like that, close that out, and for the content, here's how we're going to do it. There's a lot of myths about putting a comma after every word. You don't have to do it, and I mean, I think the myth is that way because it says to do so on WordPress, but the browser will still render your keywords properly. So what you're going to want to do is anything that correlates to your website, and if you're having a hard time figuring out what to put for your content, obviously for something like me, I would type my city. I would type Encinitas web design, comma, maybe Encinitas SEO or Encinitas search engine optimization. And if you're having a hard time figuring out what to put right here, go back to Google Keywords. So right here, I just typed in Encinitas web design, and let's see what showed up in our related searches. We've got web design firms. That gets a ton of hits. That gets 200,000 hits a month. So maybe I might want to put now firm in here, Encinitas web firm, something like that. What else should we? Freelance web design, Encinitas freelance web design. That might be something I want to put in here. Encinitas freelance web design. So you want to do this for each one of your pages. So, and you want to end everything with a comma, just like that. So obviously this is my home page, Encinitas web design. For my search engine optimization page, I would have, well, I got search engine optimization right here in these tags, but I might just want to have more SEO. Let's type in Encinitas search engine optimization. Let's see what shows up in the related searches. Cheap search engine optimization. Okay, so I might want to put in the word cheap. Search engine optimization service. I might want to use the word service, local, expert. So Google Keywords tool is an awesome way to help you utilize what you should put in your meta information right here. And your meta information is just your keywords and then your description, which we will talk about in the next video. But make sure that you're putting stuff in here that people actually Google. I mean, if you're just putting in stuff that you think might show up, no, because this is, I mean, this stuff right here, this doesn't lie. This is what people are Googling each and every month in America and outside America. So for each one of your pages, make sure you have good meta information that actually gets Googled. Don't just put stuff in here that you're assuming people Google. So hopefully this made sense. And in the next video, we'll talk about our meta description. And this video was meta keywords. Next video will be meta description. Good luck, guys. CH out.